I'm so sorry, guys. I feel bad for you guys. You're waiting for me to record a video, and I finally recorded the video. I'm just so sorry. I've gotten over sickness for like, oh my. I had to go to the hospital actually, guys. And it was bad. And at the hospital, they made me my computer and they wouldn't let me record because I don't know why they wouldn't let me record. But I actually got the bow wand. I'm sorry I haven't. That's why I couldn't make a lot of parts. And I got the fire wand. So that's why I couldn't make a lot of parts. And look at my beats, guys. You're gonna be like, oh my god, this is the best. Press that button. Look at that. Look at those legendary bees. They get gifted. Yep. I'm gonna show you this. Look at that beautiful honey. Just want to save up for that porcelain dipper here. And I don't know what's going on here. Like, that's a lot of honey. Yeah, but I can never get a porcelain dipper. But I'm working on it. I'm getting a porcelain dipper. I don't know how. Comment down below. Hashtag make more parts. Make a lot of parts for my porcelain dipper. I'm gonna make a lot of parts for my porcelain dipper. And I might be making honey off camera too. So that'll be good. We're gonna get a lot of porcelain dipper videos, guys. Oh, and before I already fired it. Come on. I hate you, Jacob. You're the worst. Okay, so I got a lot of legendaries. Been working on honey a lot. And look what I got. I got porcelain dipper guy I wanted. I want that. So press this button. Look, I've been working on it. See, 26 types. You have 22 bees. Press that button. We're gonna fly. Oh, and guess what I got? And I got the glider. Guys, so we're gonna be making honey in this video. Actually, we're not. This video is gonna be called, yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. I feel like it's my fault. I have to be making more videos more often. Pay attention to you guys. You guys are the best. Please subscribe. 20k likes, guys. Let's get 9,000 likes, guys. 9,000 likes on this video. Please, guys. Can you please support me? Please support me. I really need this. Please, guys, I am really sorry. I'm super sorry, actually, guys. I can't even talk. Oh, and you guys are wondering, here's the Bumblebee Man. If you guys are looking for it, I had a lot of people in one of my videos say, where's the Bumblebee Man, whatever his name is. On my videos, and guys, I am really sorry. I am super sorry. And this might be a short video, but I'm just gonna look around and stuff and like tell you guys. Oh, and I'll show you the presents right now. I'm gonna show you some presents, where the presents are. I can't show you all of them. What does that say? You know what? This team. Okay, so one present is right here. Get it? Behind here. You'll see a present. I don't see it because I can't see it because I already got it. And then I think there's another one over here. I forgot what it was. Think Jacob. Oh, there's only one. Yeah, there's only one. And yeah, there's only one. But there's another one. I'll show you where it is. But I can't really get to it. Can't really get to it. Sorry about that. It's in the third area actually. See, it's up there. It's like up there. So once you go in, you have to go up. You look up, and it's like up there, like up where that is part. So that's where it is. So guys, I might end the video here. Yeah, and yeah, guys, I am really sorry that I haven't made a lot of videos. I can't believe it. Oh, and look at this, guys. The diamond mask. Yeah, I haven't been making videos usually, but I have been playing these ones, as you can see. I just got a lot of stuff. And the other mask, I feel like, I forgot where it is. I think it's over here. Yeah, the other mask is over here, I think. Yeah. Show you where it is. It's called the demon mask. The mask of the demons. It's right there, as you can see, guys. See? Right there. I died. It's not fun, guys. So I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry. Like, I'm really sorry, guys. And I'm going to my friend's house for the anniversary today. I'm gonna make videos here, so it's not laggy. There, so it's not laggy. And you're gonna see me more at my friend's house, Jack's house, 6 o'clock at night. I'm not gonna make videos till I get to his house, and stay tuned for that. Go on YouTube at 6 o'clock at night. Keep watching my videos, and make sure to like and subscribe. 9K likes, and change that red to gray, please. Try to hit 6 subscribers, or I don't care how many subscribers. Just subscribe to my channel and like. And bye. Yeah.